So, honey, is this going to get the JoeteckTips rating?
Instant awesome rating? Let's see. Try again. Do it again.
So, honey, is this going to get the JoeteckTips awesome rating?
Instant. JoeteckTips instant awesome rating. What the hell? You can't get it right? That's going to be in the beginning. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
it's a blooper. Yes, it's going to be great. It's going to be great. Yep. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be reviewing something here, some sort of thing. But before we get started, I have a new assistant that's going to be joining me today. So today, I have Tech as my assistant for this product review. Yeah. And how the hell did we say that name?
I have no idea.
Can you attempt to say?
Iglar.
Iglar.
Iglar. All right. Well, maybe the product will be better than the name.
That's funny. Well, why don't you do an unboxing and see
let's see what we got here.
Maybe
ooh, honey, we got twins.
Twins?
Yeah, there's two in here.
Oh, wow. Check this out. All right, so we have a Soul. So now this is unique. So instead of, the picture shows a little different here.
Yeah,
so, well, no, the picture only shows one, but it shows that the solar panel is actually part of the product. This is actually a remote solar panel. So this is interesting. So we're going to see. We have two. Wow. So we do have twins.
All right. Yeah. So I'll take one. You take one. Let's see.
Let's check this out. This must be the mounting hardware. So this gets mounted to the house. I have to figure this out because it looks like it slides in.
Yes,
see how it slides in?
Let's see.
Well, yeah, maybe that's it. Is that for the? You think that's for the solar panel?
Yeah. See, take it from me. I know. See,
oh wow! Look at that. It locks to place.
Locks in, and it's adjustable. Looks like.
Yeah, that's pretty sick.
Yeah. All right.
Let me take that off just in case.
So you think this is going to get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, Joe?
Oof. How does it get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating?
If the battery can be removed.
Oh, there we go. Perfect. Let's check this out. Let's continue with. Ooh, holy crap! Look at the size of this thing.
Let me have one.
Yeah, go ahead. Take it out. This is interesting. Oh, wow, wait a minute. Wow,
lights.
Look at the size of this thing. Holy crap. Yeah, they're adjustable. So you can spin them in all different directions.
Oops, I might upside down.
It doesn't matter which way it is.
All right.
Just that, I don't know if it has an up or a down.
It looks like that would go down.
Yeah, there's a motion sensor on this thing. Check this. This is pretty freaking awesome,
and it also
articulates. Yeah, so you can twist the light. So if you mounted it, you can actually. This is unique.
I like this.
Yeah, this is actually pretty sick.
And you could turn one and leave one straight.
I'm a little worried though. Oh no, there is an up down. There, see the port is on the
I
bottom.
was right.
Yeah, so the button goes on the top.
I looked at you. I was cheating.
Yeah, well, you know what? We're all learning as we go.
It takes a girl to tell you how to do it.
Oh dang! All right, so the sensor does go on the top.
All right.
Now the reason why we know this is because the solar panel input is on the bottom.
Yes.
So this is a unique light. So technically, this can be mounted indoors.
All right.
Because the solar panel. Oh, there we go. That's throwing stuff around, Joe. Because the solar panel is remote. So you can put this anywhere you want. However, I'm a little bit confused because from the look of it, there's only one mounting.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it could really mount easy.
Yeah, that's the only issue I have with it. Let me look at the instructions. You know what?
You could turn them out.
Yeah, I know, but how are you supposed to get a screw to that? So you need to have this. It's very deceiving. So what they should have done is offered two of these in the package, a total of four. Two lights, four of these, so that I can mount the solar panel someplace else, and then mount the light inside the barn or inside the shed, for argument's sake, and have that remote capability. Because there's no reason to have 12 feet of wire here if you're going to have it right on top of each other. It seems kind of stupid, don't you think?
It does seem a little odd, but you know what? I still like the light.
Hey, hold on, I think there's additional hardware in here. Yeah. So we have their remote control.
Oh, nice.
Holy crap! So you have mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. So I was correct. On, off. And this infrared remote control.
Yeah.
Now that seems
Can
stupid.
I shut you off?
Ah. You shut me off.
Oh, turn you back on.
You turn me back on.
Right.
So it comes with...
2 remotes. Wow.
Oh, wow, this is weird. It comes with, what the hell are those?
The hardware.
Oh, that's the battery. Oh, it comes with the... Oh, I think one of the batteries came out because that's the battery holder. So this is the battery for that. Comes with zip ties and mounting screws.
Nice.
Only 3. That's really bizarre. I don't know. So
Maybe they just gave you extra.
That's possible. I don't know. I've never seen a Chinese company give you extra for anything.
Whoa. Look at the name.
EVGA. That's true.
EVGA.
EVGA. So
well,
let's.
hopefully the product's better than the name.
Yeah, that's what we keep saying.
I know.
Let me see if I can actually shut it off. Can I actually shut it off? Oh, doesn't look good. That's weird.
Maybe it's the.
Oh, there he goes.
Did you put the battery in?
No.
This is the one I shut you off with.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's right. So it does work, the infrared. See how it goes on and off? That's pretty cool.
That is cool. I like that.
But what would be the point of that? So then technically you can use it as an indoor light.
Correct. That's nice. Oh,
Actually,
wow.
yeah.
That's awesome.
So say for argument's sake you were in a garage or a shed.
There's 3 modes too.
Yeah. That's, let me see, on. Let me hit mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. Wow, look at that.
See
You got
that?
change. Oh,
hey-o.
Hey-o. Forget about it. So
This is nice.
now we just got to figure out how to mount the freaking thing because I'm not liking the way... Oh, look, they're showing it vertical. So the first light goes on. Then why have this long cable? I'm confused. If it's going to be so close, why would you need it so long? That doesn't make any sense.
Maybe people... Their light is,
I don't know.
where they want the light and where the sun is are 2 different spots.
I know, but why have it? Doesn't. But the showing it. See, this is really strange. That's why I find this bizarre. This is like 12 feet of wire here, yet you're supposed to mount the. Whoa! You're supposed to mount the. Yeah, I am. You're supposed to mount, according to the instructions, you're supposed to mount the solar panel right by the light. Then why have this long cable? It's very confusing.
So hey Joe, is this going to get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating?
We're going to find out. Right now, we're taking it apart. Let's be real careful.
Are we allowed to do that?
Yeah. Oh, it has a battery pack.
And it looks removable.
Let me see. Oh, no, it's not. It's not replaceable. No. Oh, that sucks.
All right, so once that dies, then this dies?
No, well, no. Once, yeah. Unfortunately.
I don't know.
Oh, there's the power thing. Okay. I got to be real careful when I take these apart. Yeah, so what this means is that the battery... Hang on. So what this means is that the battery is a pack. All right? It's a battery. It's 2... This is interesting because it actually has 2 3.7 volt lithium batteries in it. And they're in parallel. So this light's going to run a really, really long time. So I'm assuming I'm not going to take it apart because it's wrapped in a like a plastic wrap, and I can't see the size of the batteries, but they're pretty heavy. So I'm going to probably guess that they're around 2,500 to 3,000 milliamps a piece, and I'm impressed with it. However, they wired the crap out of this. So they just made a big wire mess. Yeah. They didn't even do it right. And it's just sitting here. All right, so the packet's supposed to go here.
So how long do those batteries last?
This should last probably all night at full brightness.
No, lifetime.
Lifetime. Well, since the solar panel is probably 3 to 5 years.
Okay.
But the thing is that if you ever need it, if these lights, did fail, if you really wanted to keep them, you could just simply, just replace the batteries if you wanted to. But they are replaceable. It seems a little bit far-fetched, a little more difficult to do. You need to have some sort of soldering capability, like a soldering iron type of thing. But other than that, this does not get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. Unfortunately, the company's not going to be happy.
No, I won't be happy.
Oh, that sucks for them.
The light's nice, though.
The light's nice, though, yes. So what rating should it get, dear? I'm going to ask for your... Since the batteries are not...
like the fact that it's very bright, even though we're in the daytime.
That's true. Good point.
I would not have known that about the battery life, so I would say 4 stars.
Okay. Gets a 4-star. JoeteckTips 4-star rating. Wow. I very rarely give those. Sucks for you guys. get better.
Well, that's because you got 2.
Well, yeah, well, no, the 4
you didn't
stars, I
know.
mean, it seems like it's useful. I don't
But they
understand
don't show that you have 2. They should change their box.
Yeah, it's really
They only
strange.
show 1.
It's really
It doesn't
odd.
even say anywhere on here.
Like a 2-pack? Doesn't say 2-pack on any of the box?
No, I don't see yet so far. Maybe.
Oh, wow, look at the size of the panel. It's a 5.5 volt, 2.5 watt. So this solar panel is 2.5 watts. That's impressive. Look at the size of this thing. It's 2.5 watts.
It doesn't say. There's 2 of them in here, unless it's hidden by the prime.
Yeah, see, it still works. Haha. Even though I took it apart. Well, you know, with JoeteckTips, I always take stuff apart. You guys know that. So we're going to check this out tonight. We're going to figure out where we're going to pop this bad boy.
So they need to change their box to two lights.
Like a 2-pack, yeah.
2-pack.
It says triple head motion sensor, but doesn't say that. Does it say 2-pack on that?
Nope.
Wow, not even on the barcode doesn't even say 2-pack. Maybe they made a mistake.
Oh,
Maybe it's supposed to
yeah.
only be 1.
Well,
No,
it's
the
a big
box is so
box.
big. Yeah, exactly.
And they wish they show only 1 of everything. All right.
That's
They
weird.
need to fix their box.
Yeah, it's misrepresenting because technically it's actually really good because it's 2 in a box, not just 1. So there's quite a bit of information here that we gathered. I'm just a little confused about the long wire.
Right.
It looks like it's 12 feet. But anyway, guys, let's go check this bad boy out outside. So we mounted the bracket on here. Now we're going to put the light on here now. All right, so we slid this on right here. And then the solar panel will go here as well. Let's see if we can get this on here. Kind of put it on an angle here, and it clips right into place. Wrap this around. Kind of silly, still have no idea why there's all this long cable. Seems kind of silly. So now we have it mounted just like so. We're going to tilt the solar panel out a little bit and turn on the light. Tilt the solar panel based on how I think the sun's going to be, and we're golden. See how well this works. Here we go. Nice. Now remember, we have 2 of these babies. We're mounting one right now. We're going to mount the other one in the back, or maybe on the side of the she shed. I turned that one off like I said I did. That's pretty good, man. I like it. Check out that. That's amazing. Too bad the battery is not user replaceable. Otherwise, I give this to JoeteckTips since an awesome rating. But it's only going to get a 4-star. That sucks for that light. Nice.
Joe, you forgot something.
What?
It says here you could use it in the front door, backyard, pathway, or garage.
Oh,
So
well, there you
maybe-
go.
So that could explain the long wire, maybe. Most people may not have
That's
sun accessibility, and that's why the wire is long, where the light needs to be.
Okay.
It gives an option.
Or I was just thinking. Oh, I was just thinking of something. I'm going to add to that.
Okay.
Since maybe you don't want to use both lights, I mean, it'd be kind of stupid. I mean, it's a great product, a great deal anyway. But if you really wanted to, you could probably use one base for the solar panel and the other base for the light.
Okay.
And then you have your remote location for the thing, but you're just unfortunately not going to use both. I mean, I guess you can get creative with this. Believe it or not, you can actually unscrew the mount here, mount this first, and then screw it back on. And then it's mounted without anything. So you can do that as well. But this is a very bizarre product, I have to say. It's definitely bizarre because it doesn't have everything that we need.
We'll see how it works at
Yeah,
night.
well, check it out, man.